Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will show you less important updates about Vancoin. Its price prediction this year mega bullion. That how many zeros Vancoin can kill here. Is this meme coin has really potential to be the next big cat theme meme coin in Solana ecosystem? Can we see its listing on Binance too or not? So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. France Van current price 0.4 times 0 to $1. Right now, this meme coin is 95% down than its all-time high. So massive dump in this meme coin price. But not only Van, but all other Solana ecosystem top base meme coins just like Peanut, just like Popcat, that meme coins are Binance listed meme coins, and right now both meme coins are almost 90 to 95% down also. So Van is also down. I can see friends 8% in last 24 hours, 25% in last 7 days, 17% last 14 days, and 93% in last 1 year. So massive jump in this meme coin. A current market cap right now only $15 million. Before this crash, this market cap was around 50 to 60 million dollars here, but right now friends, I can see we are almost 95% down than this all-time high. So right now market cap is only 15.9 million dollars, but trading volume is still good. 4.7 million dollars trading volume in last 24 hours. So friends, trading volume is definitely still good. 1 trillion supply all in circulation. You can see friends, Solana ecosystem meme coin, and not just a meme coin. You can see friends, fractionalized NFT, Solana ecosystem meme coin, NFTFi, a cat theme meme coin, enemy theme, and most important, hey, you can see friends, this is made in USA. Okay, just like Moog and many other top best meme coins, this meme coin is also made in USA project. So that's why definitely we can see this meme coin to recover again, to break its all-time high and make a new all-time high also. You can see friends, right now we are only 40% up than its all-time low they were 1 year ago. So the same levels are now repeating for Vancoin, and it's also possible because still there's no any massive positive news for meme coins in crypto market. So it's also possible that van can, maybe it's possible that we can see some more jump in van coin also, and van coin can hit its all-time low is also possible friends. But as we see a massive recovery in BTC, then this meme coin will definitely go upward here. These are some central exchanges where this coin is listed. You can see Get.io, MEXC, Bybit, Albank, XD.com, KuCoin, and many other major central exchanges has already list this coin. You can see friends, many other major central exchanges: Orbit, KuCoin, BingX, Get.io, and Bitget, CoinX. And if you have still not Get.io and MEX exchange accounts yet, I will provide you both central exchanges links in description. You can join both central exchanges where you can buy all newly launched meme coins before listing on tier 1 central exchanges. So friends, now my price prediction about Fancoin is that as coin has currently 4 zeros in its price and current market cap is nearly $16 million, but as Van has already hit all-time high market cap around $200 million, so friends, it's definitely possible that this meme coin can reach up to $2 to $5 billion market cap in this year mega bullion. Right now it's looking far away, but friends, definitely it's possible that this cat theme meme coin can again make a massive hype in crypto market. Then definitely it's possible that we can see Vancoin market in this super cycles meme coins mega bullion around 2 to maybe $5 billion here. And friends, the reason behind this term, behind 95% crush than its all-time high, is only this market crash. Okay, and because right now we have no any high for Solana ecosystem meme coin or for any other ecosystem meme coin, so that's why all meme coins, including Binance and Coinbase listed meme coins, are 90 to 95% down. So that's why this meme coin is also badly dumped here. But friends, this term will be not forever. We can see many other green days in crypto market soon. We can see maybe BTC above up to $90,000 soon. At that time, definitely all crypto market will again bullish, and this meme coin can goes up to $100 billion in short term, and in long term I think 3 to maybe $5 billion